going to show you how to make a name stand in resin. I already made so many resin frames, resin keychains. I will leave their tutorial video link in description. I made this name stand for my sister's birthday. She loves a lavender color, so I picked a lavender glitter for it. If you guys want to preserve a rose or any other memories in a resin, you can also use it. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you're subscribed, guys. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. I already shown in the many videos how I mix my resin. First, I'm taking a resin. I'm using a 3:1 resin. Then I'm taking a horner. Then I'm using a popsicle stick to mix it. Mix it well for 5 minutes. Mixing it will create some bubbles. After mixing it, keep it aside for 5 minutes. It will clear some bubbles. Our resin is ready. Let's start our work. First, I taken a small amount of resin in a paper cup and I'm going to mix a glitter in it. You can mix any color you want. Mix it well using a popsicle stick. Again, I'm taking a small amount of resin in another paper cup and I'm going to add a silver flakes in it. Mix it well using a popsicle stick. Next, I'm taking an alphabet mold. In that, I'm going to make S and M letter. First, I'm taking a glitter mixed resin and I'm going to pour it in the first half of the letter. Repeat the same step for another letter also. Once you have finished with the glitter mixed resin, then take a flakes mixed resin and pour it in another half of the letter. After pouring the resin, we have to clear the bubbles. For that, I'm using a lighter. You can also use a bubble buster spray for that. After clearing the bubbles, we have to let it dry for 24 hours. Next, I'm going to make a heart. For that, I'm taking a heart mold. First, we have to clean the mold using a cello tape. In alphabet mode, I clean it in a off screen. Again, I'm taking a glitter mixed resin and I'm going to pour it in half of the heart and flakes mixed resin in another half. Now let it dry for 24 hours. Next, for the base, I'm taking a bookmark mold. Using a cello tape, I'm going to clean the mold. After cleaning the mold, I'm going to use the flakes mixed resin for creating the outer layer of the stand. This step is a little bit of challenging one. You have to be careful while pouring a resin. Make sure that you have correctly poured the resin in the outer layer of the stand. After that, I'm taking a glitter mixed resin and I'm going to pour it in the inside layer. Once you have finished the pouring, let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm going to demold it. The materials that I used in this video, I will give their link in description box. Next, I'm going to demold the heart. The other side of the heart got fully covered with the glitter resin. Now it's time for a second layer. For that, I'm using a clear resin and I'm going to pour it in the top of the letter using a popsicle stick. We have to make a thin layer so that it will give a glossy and embossed look. Now again, I'm going to repeat the same step for a S letter. After that, we are going to fix the heart. For that, I'm going to pour the clear resin on top of the heart. After pouring the resin, I'm going to add the flakes on the one side of the heart. Make sure that you have added it correctly. After adding the flakes, pour some resin on it. Now our hot is fixed. We have to let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm going to add the letters in this stand. For that, I'm taking a clear resin and I'm going to pour it in a stand. After pouring a resin, I'm going to pop the bubbles using a lighter. You can also use a matchstick or bubble buster spray. Let's add the letters. After adding the letters, let it dry for 24 hours. After that, we have to demold it. If you guys don't have a time to make this all, no worries guys, we got your back. You can place your order in Instagram or WhatsApp. And also we have a wide variety of customized gifts collection in our Instagram page. I will leave the Instagram page link in description. So go and check it out guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys try this out, don't forget to chat this to my Instagram. If you guys also want to place an order, I will give the order details in description. Thank